Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, this will be a short video, but we will do something for today. If you have not noticed, this will be uploaded in two channels, which is yung vlog channel ko, and also my TikTok channel, which is hindi ko pwedeng sabihin. But anyway, I will be uploading this in both channels, no? So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, but we will be unboxing today, no? This will be in tawag nito, yung ganitong format, no? Because of TikTok, no? So, let's see kung ano ang first box, which is this one. Let's see, no? Buksan na natin. So, ang unang natanggap natin is ang Nesty Cleanse. Ayan, no? So, unang natanggap natin is Nesty Cleanse, and this is clinically proven to aid digestion, no? In as early as 3 days, no? So, box of 10, 250 milligrams per serving, no? So, pag in-open natin to, we have this. Paano ba ito buksan? Wait lang, bubuksan ko, no? So, para makita talaga kung ano itsura niya. Ay, nako. Grabe nga yun. Okay. So, pag in-open siya, ganito yung mangyayari, oh. Maliliit siya na ganito. Oh. So, okay. So, ganito siya, guys. Ganito. Ganyan. Ganyan ang isahang pag-inom sa kanya. No? Yan. Tapos 10 yan lahat. So, bale, dalawang ganito. Okay. Then, ang sunod naman ay sunod ay ang Bio 50. Ayan. Yan ang Bio 50. No? So, ang Bio 50 is, is produced by manufactured by the marketing authorization holder, Diamond Laboratories Inc. Ayan. Ayan ang 50. So, ginagamit ito ng nadalasan sa mga friends ko, no? Ilan sa kanila ang gumagamit nito, and sabi nila effective daw as long as ginamit siya every night, no? Bago matulog, no? It's parang gawin siyang tea bago matulog. So, let's see, no? Meron namang instructions dito. So, yon, no? Ngayon, thank you for watching. Bye!